Hey everybody, here at Vanland, if there's one thing we love, it's products that make it easier and cheaper to build your Sprinter van out. And got a new product today that we're just trying and it looks to be a winner. So I just wanted to give you guys a little demo of how the new floor trim works. This comes from a company called Esplori that I just found recently. Maybe you guys know about them, but they make a floor trim kit that gives you a nice looking trim with a minimal amount of work, and I think it really finishes off nicely. So let's take a look. If you're doing a custom floor, then you probably have a floor edge that looks like that. And this one, we've got our insulation down here. This is actually a 1/2 inch floor, and then the lawn seal material. So this is a look at the rear edge of the floor by the back doors. So it's a similar look, and you have to find a piece of trim that'll cover that. So to do the Esplori kit, you do have to start with drilling some holes. The kit has these standoffs that will go behind the trim, between the trim and this piece of metal here, to keep it from rattling. So the first thing to do is drill out those holes. It's pretty easy because the trim comes pre-punched with the holes, so you just make a mark and trim right where it tells you to. And then put the spacers behind, drop a screw through, and you will have to have somebody underneath the van backing up the nut as it gets screwed on from the front. So it is a two-person job, unless you're very ambitious. So the sliding door trim is probably the most complicated. The other ones are quite a bit easier. They just screw straight down, and so once you have the spacers in, you can just screw the floor trim in. As you can see, it looks really nice and very stylish. All right, let's take a look at the finished product. So here's the floor trim all finished up, and I really like that it covers the front edge of the step, which otherwise you might finish out in the floor material or with wood or something else. You've got aluminum going all the way down to the step almost. So that makes it really easy to clean and maintain, adds durability, which is great. All right, and here's the back edge of the floor, also trimmed out with the Esplori kit. So as you can see, it looks really great. It's mitered at the edge, so it fits right in. So I really love this kit. If you like it as well, you can find it on the Vanland store. There will be a link in the description to this video where you can buy it, and I'll send it out to you. So good luck, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.